Hello everyone. Today we learn about the cell organelle, that is lysosome. The detailed structure and their functions we have to learn in this slide. So this is a tutorial on the lysosomes. So lysosome is one of the important cell organelle. It is a membrane bound organelle and functions as the stomach of the eukaryotic cells. They contain about 50 different kinds of the enzymes that breaks down all types of the biological molecule including the proteins, nucleic acids, lipids and the carbohydrates. Sometimes that lysosomes are performing the cell transport material, and that material is digested by the enzymes, and the digested molecules are moved back into the cytosol for the use of the cell. Both the extracellular material is digested, brought by the cell into the intracellular materials are uh, de- degraded in the lysosomes. Now, how the structure of the lysosome is? The lysosome is varies in size and shape, but have the several common features like they are surrounded by a single membrane, have a acidic interior, pH level is about 5, and carry a high content of the digestive enzymes. All the digestive enzymes found in the lysosomes require an acidic environment to function properly and called that acids, that is hydrolysis. The low pH of the lysosome is maintained by the membrane proteins that and the pump photons, that is the H ions, from the cytosol into the lysosome. Why the lysosomes are known as the suicidal bags? That is the question. So lysosomes are called as the suicidal bags because they are capable for breaking down the digesting all wastes and the dead materials. So this is the structure of the lysosome as shown in this particular figure. It has the different layers, membranes, and particularly it is present in the cell. They structurally, the lysosome is a membrane bound organelle, as I just told you that, and they found in the many of the animal cells as well as the plant cells. They are spherical vesicle that contains the hydrolytic enzymes that can be break down the particular many kinds of the biomolecules. And not only this, it has the composition of both its membrane proteins and the luminal proteins. Besides the degradation of the polymers, the lysosomes are involved in various different kinds of the cell processes, including the secretion of the plasma membrane, repair of the apoptosis, and the cell signaling, energy metabolism. Then lysosome digests some material taken into the cell, recycles, etc. The lysosomes carry some enzymes known as the 60 different kinds of the enzymes and more than 50 membrane proteins. That enzymes particularly it is synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum and exported to the Golgi apparatus upon the recruitment by the complex. So that enzymes, this lysosomes are specifically tagged with the molecules, that is mannose 6 phosphate. Properly it is stored in the acidified vesicles. So lysosomes are also synthesize the it is the enzymes is controlled by the nuclear genes. That mutation in the genes for these enzymes are responsible for the 30 different human genetic disorders, which are collectively known as the lysosomal storage diseases. and these diseases results from an accumulation of the specific the substrate due to the ability to break them down, and these genetic defects are related to the several neurodegenerative disorders like cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and the aging related to the different diseases. So, discovery that Christian D. Dewey is one of the chairman of the laboratory physiological chemistry of the Catholic University and in Belgium, and had been studying the mechanism action of the pancreatic hormone insulin in the liver cells by 1949, and and the his team focus on the enzyme called as glucose 6 phosphatase, which is the first crucial enzyme in the sugar metabolism and then target of the insulin. They already suspected that the enzymes is played a very important role in regulating the blood sugar levels. However, even after a series of the experiment, they failed to purify that particular isolate the enzyme from the cellular extract. Therefore, they tried more for the procedure of the fractions. So there are the several functions of the lysosomes to estimate the enzyme activity. To use the standardized enzymes acid phosphatase found that activity was only in the 10% of the expected value. So there are the certain results of this same related to the same matter, that lysosome is also functions variously depending upon the different kinds. So there are so many functions. So thanks for hearing me patiently. Thank you very much.